Welcome to Groweon CRM, where smarter sales begin. In this video, we'll be showcasing one of our most powerful tools, the quotation module. Whether you're in sales or support, the quotation module helps you create professional and accurate quotations in just a few clicks. On the lead board of the CRM, you'll find a tab labeled Send Quotation with every lead. Go ahead and click on Send Quotation and then Create Quotation. Here, you will see two options. If you have your own custom quotation that you want to send to the client, just click on Send Custom Quotation. Attach the quotation from there and open it. The system will prompt you for the deal value. Add the deal value, hit Submit, and you'll see an email section open up where the entire content has already been drafted. Now just click on Send Quotation and the quotation will be emailed to your prospect. Once the quotation is sent, the details are saved in the quotation section. The second option is to generate a PDF quotation, which is our own quotation module and is recommended. Click on Recommended. You can search for your product by category or by keyword. Select the product, add the product, click Save and Proceed. And your quotation is ready and good to go. It even includes terms and conditions, everything you need. If all the terms and conditions are applicable, select them all. If only a few apply, then just click on the checkbox to choose the terms and conditions relevant to this quote. Your bank details will appear as well. You have the option to add an additional note here. This is the first preview of the quotation. It includes your company logo, information, other contact details, and the banner is yours. Here you can see the customer's information, the quotation number, quotation date, validity, inquiry reference number, subject line, product description, price, quantity, and GST. All the details are automatically calculated with the final rounded off figure, terms and conditions, and bank details. This is the first review. Now let me show you what else can be done here. If you want to rename the quotation, that option is available. If you have multiple offices, you can select the office address. You can edit the quotation, date, quotation number, and set the validity as per the discussion with the customer. If the customer has multiple offices and the contacts are added with the lead, you can change the contact of that customer as well. You can edit the subject line and the opening and closing text of the quotation. You can modify the product information as needed. Anything edited here will not affect your original product section. You can adjust the price, quantity, and provide discounts either in percentage or amount. You can edit the GST to suit your needs. If you want to add more products to the quotation, there's an option to do so. If there are any additional charges, you can add those too. For example, you can add packing and freight charges here. If you do, these will be calculated in the quotation. If you need to add any new rows, that's possible too. If you'd rather not display the total net amount, simply click to hide it. You can also hide the GST column or add additional GST if needed. If you want to split the GST into two parts, such as IC, GST and SGST, you can do that. Adding more product images is easy. Just click on Show Product Images and 3 thumbnails of your product images will be included. If you want to add a YouTube video, you can do that too. You can also add a product brochure. If you want to include more photographs in the quotation, you can add them from your computer or from the server using the My Document section. For instance, I've added 4 photographs here. With additional photographs added, you can also rename their file names. If you need to change anything in the GST section, you can do that within the terms and conditions. If you want to add an additional note or change any bank details, the entire quotation remains editable. Now, let's check the preview. This is the second preview of the quotation, now including photographs and more. If you want to include a buyer declaration, there's a checkbox available for that. If no discount is offered, that section won't print on the quotation. Once you're ready to send the quotation via email or WhatsApp, those options are available. You can also download the quotation as a PDF and attach it if needed. Here's the downloadable PDF format. The quotation goes out with a watermark of your company name in the background. The Groweon Quotation module streamlines your sales cycle by saving time, reducing errors, and boosting conversions. For more details and additional product videos, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot.